Hello. David Bradley here in, yes, the pet room. So, it has been a long time. This process has been brewing. Today, I have in front of me, I believe it's an 8032. One second. It is. It's an 8032. This is the one that has the smashed up fuse. So, I'm going to begin the process of testing a board like this, but not in this machine because dealing with the power supply fuse issues could take a while and end up like, is the power supply good? I don't know. Is it, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this board out of this machine. And it is not all that difficult. There are some screws. From the looks of it, there might be some of them missing. The other thing is the the three cables that connect the power and other things to the pet have to be removed. I did forget, but it doesn't really make any difference in this case, that there are wires that run directly off the power supply to the monitor upstairs. There are. So, as I look around here, I know that way in the back is another screw. They're typically Phillips. And this one is not so tight. It might actually be there. It might be out. And then way in the back corner over here by the power supply is another Phillips screw. Oh, and that one came out. Now, there should be more. There should be one here, but there isn't one here. But it still feels very secure. So I know that somewhere, I suspect I am missing one. But where? Where could it be? The other thing that holds these things are these little plasticky things that hold it off the ground here. And they usually, you just have to push in a little bit on them to free them up. Okay, that one is coming off. But it's kind of always a test to see. You can get one off, and then you go to pull another one off, and the other one slides down. And you're like, oh yeah, we gotta do that again. Okay, so I am pushing. I wonder, is there another screw there? No, there is not. So that one is kind of coming off. Kind of. This one is being a little testy. Okay, it feels like we're not that far. Okay, so that side of the board is lifting off. There is another thing here, and I think if I can get this on there, this one is also still being a little difficult. Just a moment. Okay, yeah. There's still a bit of a leg over here. And I think is being a bit challenging. Okay, are we there? Ugh. Well, see, it's hard to tell No, there's still something there. Because, okay, that's off. This one slipped down a bit. And now, it's this one over here towards the middle. And so, and what do we have? We have the heart of an 8032. So it's not that tough to get out. I'm just looking around the board. It looks like one chip at some point, a RAM chip probably has been replaced. Probably. And now we can look around, but there are no extra EPROMs in this one. There's the empty sockets, but there are no extra EPROMs. Ooh, that's funky when you look up through the light at it from this side, which I know you can't see. You can see all the traces coming through. So let's see. What else do we see here? Oh yeah, FAS number 8032 2088. Artwork number 8032 085, revision A. Because they would have been updating these as they found improvements along the way. This is the one, the Universal Dynamic PET. Assembly number 8032 089. And in it, the 6502 is in a socket. One of the ROMs, which is a, hang on, 1 second, 901474-3 is in a socket. Everything else is soldered in. But I don't see any obvious things. And in looking at all the connectors that are in there, I don't see any obvious disasters. So now that this board is out, and this is the machine that had the trouble with the, excuse me, let me put that down. It's also a machine that I half cleaned, halfway. But anyway, the problem with this one was way back here, and this right here, where the power switch is, where the fuse should be, is broken off and inside, and it too will take some doing to deal with. So what I really want to do first is test the board. And how will I test the board? Well, I will take the 4032, which has the same board, which is modified slightly to make it a 4032 rather than an 8032. And I think the character ROM has changed. And then I will put it in, I'll plug it in, and I'll see what happens. So that is a quick 8032 board removal. 3 screws, 3 little plastic things hold it in place. They hold it very securely, but that's really what you need. So stay tuned. We'll see if this board is working or not working. As I say, there's not much I can change on it quickly and easily because, well, most things are not socketed yet. Anyway, thanks so much for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now.